Let's talk a little bit about capital letters and uppercase, a slight little terminology mistake within Brizy, and then we'll see how you can put all of your text in capital letters, as people refer to it, which is not the correct way, and I'll tell you very soon about that. This first line of text that we have here that says capital letters, you will see that capital starts with a capital C and letters start with a capital L. In the event where we want all of these letters to be those big bold letters, we refer to it as uppercase. This is the correct terminology. I must start off with this because in Brizy it is incorrect. They refer to it as capitals, and that's not what we're trying to achieve. We want to get uppercase. This is used often in headings. When you paste some text from somewhere or you need it to be in uppercase, then it's very easy to have that function to switch everything automatically into uppercase. In this event, I have one line of text here that is treated as a separate paragraph by the Brizy text element. All I need to do is click anywhere on the line, and then in the text options toolbar, go to this little one here that says capitalize, and which I told you is incorrect, it's uppercase. Then when you click on it, it will put everything in uppercase. Let's reduce the size a little bit there. Right. If you only want one word in the sentence to be in uppercase, then you have to highlight the word and then click on uppercase, and it will treat only that word individually and make it uppercase. Again, if you just click anywhere in the line and you use capitalize, it's going to do it to the entire line. And that's how you get uppercase within Brizy.